Hello, good morning students. Myself Kukreja Rahul, and today we have to learn about the mathematics for standard 9, and today's topic is related to also Heron's formula as per the previous session. Okay, so in this session we have to learn about the three questions that are also given in your textbook. Okay, remaining three questions from first exercise that I'll teach you. Okay, in today's session. Okay, so let's start without wasting a time. Okay, so standard 9, and today's topic is also a Heron's formula. Okay, so students, let's start. We have to talk about the questions that are given in your textbook. Okay, one of the questions that is given in textbook, that is the triangular side wall of the flyover have been used for advertisement. The side of the wall are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. Okay, there is a three dimension of the flyover are given, that is one of them A is a 122 meter, second we have to take as a B, that is 22 meter and third one that we have to take C as a 120 meter. Okay, so here three dimension are given for the triangle. Okay, three sides are given of the flyover. Now the advertised yield an earning of 5,000 rupees per meter square per year. Okay, they have to advertise on that flyover, so there is a cost of the advertising, that is 5,000 rupees per meter square per year, that is for 1 year, and for 1 meter square there is a 5,000 rupees. Okay, a company hire both walls for 3 months. Company hires both of the walls, that is the this dimension are for the one wall, there is a two walls are, there is a two walls. Okay, now they have to require to for the both of the walls. Okay, they are required for the both of the walls. Now a company have both walls for 3 months, they require for 3 months, they acquire the walls for the 3 months. And how much did it pay? Okay, how much rent did it pay? So they have to pay say that how much money they have to require to pay for the advertisement on the flyover. Okay, on the wall of the flyover. Okay, so there is a two walls in the on the flyover, that is, okay, there is a two walls on the flyover. Now this is the dimension of the one wall, and second wall is the same as the dimension. So we have to find the area of the one wall, and after that multiply with the 2 to find the area of the two walls, because they say that advertisement are given on the both of the walls. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we have to find the semi perimeter S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Students, please see here first of all that how I do this sum. Okay, after that I'll give you the time for the copy that. Okay, then after that you have to copy 122 plus 22 plus 120 by 2. So your semi perimeter, that is 122 plus 22, that is 144, 144 plus 100, 244, 244 plus 20, that is 264. Okay, 264 by 2. 2 4 6 and 1 plus 1 2. Okay, so my answer is 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 132 meter. My semi perimeter is 132 meter. So now I have to find the area of the triangle. So area of triangle, that is in square root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. After that we have to write s, that is 132 minus one side is given as a 122. After that 132 minus second side is given as a 22, and 132 minus third side is given as a 120. Okay, now we have to calculate the area that is given in the square root. Therefore in square root there is a 132. Okay, there is a 132 into 132 minus 122. Okay, 132 minus 122, that is 132 minus 122, that is 10. Okay, and 132 minus 22. Okay, 132 minus 22, that is 2 minus 2 0, 1 3 minus 2 1, 1 1 0, and in last one 132 minus 120, that is 2 minus 0 2, 3 minus 2 1, 1 minus 1 0, that is a 12. Okay, so therefore the area of triangle, we have to split them. 132, that is 11 into 12 into 10 into 110, that is 10 into 11, and we have to take 12 as it is, because that is easy for me to take common out from that pair. Okay, here is a pair of 12, that is we have to take 12 as common into pair of 11 that we have to take, and pair of 10 also comes out. So my answer for that is area, that is 12 into 11, 132, 1320 meter square. Okay, my area of the triangular wall, that is 1320 meter square. Okay, my answer, that is area of the triangle, that is 1320 meter square. Okay, clear? Now we have to move for this is the area of the one triangle. Okay, this is the area of the one triangle, that is for the one wall, area of the one wall. Now we have to find the area of the two walls, because they require two walls for that. So for two walls we have to multiply area of this 1320 with the 2. For the area of two walls, is equal to 1320 into 2, that is 2 6, 2 1 2, 2 3 6, 2 2 40, 2640 meter square. Okay, that is a 2640 meter square. Okay, now I have to find the rupees. Okay, how much their rupees they have to require. Okay, so here said that the 5000 rupees per meter square and per year. First of all we have to find for the meter square, and after that we have to convert it there to month. Okay, now 5000 rupees per meter square, there is a how much meter square are given, that is 2640 meter square are given. So meter square and rupees, for 1 meter square there is a 5000 rupees, and for the 2640 meter square how much money they require. So multiply with the 5000, 1 meter square there is a 5000, 2640 meter square there is a how much. So therefore 2640 into 5000. So for that there is a 3 plus 1 4 zeros at the end. Now 264 into 5, 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 6 5 are 30, 30 plus 2 32, 3 carry, 5 2 are 10 plus 3 13, 1 3 2 and 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. 132 into 5 zeros are rupees. Okay, these rupees are earned for 1 year. Okay, because they said that in a year. Now we have to convert it for the 3 months because it requires for the only 3 months. This is the cost for the 1 year. Now we have to convert it into the month. So month and rupees for 12 months, that is for the 1 year, that is given 132, 1 2 3 4 and 5 zeros. Okay, that we have to find. Now we have to find for the 3 month. There is how much cost for the 3 month. So we have to take cross multiplication. So 3 into 132, 1 2 3 4 5 zeros upon 12. So 3 1s are 3 4s are 4 1s are 4 3s are 12, 1 4 3s are 12, that is 3300, 33 lakh, that is approx 33 lakhs are required. There is a 33 lakhs are required for a 3 month. Cost of the advertisement on the flyover, that is 33 lakhs rupees are required for a 3 month for 5000 rupees per meter square. Okay, clear? So first of all you have to copy now, and after that we have to solve next question. Okay, here is a here we have to go from this part to this part. Okay, first calculate from here and after here, and after you have to move at here. Okay, so please calculate fast. First copy fast. I hope you have to clear all these things. Okay, done, clear. Now we have to move for the second question. Okay, now second question, that is a triangular park ABC has a side 120 meter and 80 meter and 50 meter. Okay, so is a also a triangular park which first side that is 120 meter, second 80 and third 50. 120, second 80 and third 50. Okay, now what he said that a gardener, what is the name of the gardener, that is okay, a gardener Dania has to put a fence all around it and also plant grass inside. Okay, and how much area does side need to plant, okay, does she need to plant, okay, and find the cost of the fencing it with the barber wire at the rate of the rupees 120 per meter, leaving the space 3 meter wide for the gate on this side, okay, 20 rupees per meter. They have to fence the all of the sides, that is 20 rupees cost of fencing, that is rupees 20 per meter, okay. Now they require for the fencing, so for that we have to use perimeter of the triangle whenever we have to find the cost of the fencing, okay, and also they have to require to plant inside the triangular part, so we have to also find the area of the triangle, and they also said the 3 meter wide gate. For that gate where we are not fencing at that part, so we have to remove 3 meter part, okay. So part of the gate we are not fencing at that point, so we have to remove that part of the length of the triangle, okay, from the whole perimeter of the triangle. So now we have to find the area first of all. So let's start. We have to find S semi perimeter, that is A plus B plus C by 2, that is 120 plus 80 plus 50 by 2, okay, 120, 80 and 50 by 2. So my answer is, that is 120 plus 80, that is 200, 200 plus 50, that is 250, 250 by 2. So my semi perimeter S equal to 125 meter, okay. My semi perimeter is 125 meter, okay, clear. Now we have to move for the area. The area of triangle, that is in square root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, okay. So what is my semi perimeter? That is 125, 125 minus A, that is 120, 125 minus B, that is 80 and 125 minus C, that is 50, okay. Now in square root 125 into 125 minus 120, that is 5, into 125 minus 80, that is 75, no, not a 75, 20, that is 100, 45, okay, there is a 45, okay, 8 plus 4, 12, right. Now 125 minus 50, that is 50 plus 25, that is 75, okay, then multiply by 75. Now we have to factorize it, okay. So whenever we have to factorize that numbers, so we have to factorize 125, that is with the 25 5s are 125 into, I'll write 5 as it is, into I'll split 45, that is 9 5s are 45, and into I'll factorize 75 with the 25 5s are 25 3s are, sorry, okay, 25 3s are 75. Now we have to take a common 25, there is a pair of 25, that is we have to take a common from that, there is a 9, square root of 9, that is 3, and pair of 5 we have to take as a 5, and remaining number, that is 5 and 3, that is 5 3s are 15. So now we have to write 25 3s are 75, 75 5s are, okay, 25 3s are 75, 75 5s are, that is my 75 5s are 375, that is 375. So my area is 375 root 15 meter square. Okay, my area of the triangular park, that is 375 root 15 meter square. Yeah, clear. Now we have to find the perimeter of the garden, because they have to fencing their outer part of the garden, okay, side of the garden. So perimeter of the garden, that is we also find it that is 250, okay. So my perimeter is 250 meter. Now we have to remove 3 meter from that, because of the there is a gate of 3 meter, okay. So therefore 250 minus 3 is equal to, that is 247 meter are the length of the all side for the fencing, okay. Now that's 20 rupees per meter. So meter and rupees, for 1 meter there is a 20 rupees, and for the 247 there is a how much rupees. So we have to take cross multiplication, 247 into 20, so there is a 0, 7 2s are 14, 1 carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, 2 2s are 4. So there is a 4940 rupees are required for the fencing the part of the triangle park, okay. They have to require the 4940 rupees for in the triangular park, okay. So please now note down it, okay. Now copy this. Now dear students, when I explain this sum, okay, then you have to see it here, then how to I explain you, or how to I solve it, this question, then after you have to copy that, then I'll give you the time, okay. Done, okay. Now we have to move for the last question from your textbook for the first exercise, and after we have to move for the second exercise and for the area of the quadrilaterals, okay. Now after that we have to move for the find the area of the quadrilaterals for the second exercise, okay. Now there is my question, there is a side of a park, there is a side in a park, one of the side of the wall has been painted in the some color with message the keep the park green and clean. The sides of the wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter. Sides of the wall are given. There is a triangular wall, and wall sides of the wall are given. There is 15, 11 and 6. 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter. Okay. Find the painted in color. Find the area painted in color. So generally it's only required the area to painted. Okay, so just we have to do in this question to find the area of the triangle. Okay, that's it. So that one we have to find semi-perimeter, that is a plus b plus c by 2, that is 15 plus 11 plus 6 by 2, that is 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6 12, 1 carry, 1 2 3 32 by 2, that is 16 meter. Okay, that is my semi-perimeter is 16 meter. So area of triangle, that is in square root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So equal to semi-perimeter s, that is 16, 16 minus 15, 16 minus 11 and 16 minus 6. Okay, so 16 into 1 into 5 into 10. Now what is the answer? We have to take 16 square root of 16 as a 4, and we have to split 10 into 2 parts, that is 5 2s are 10. Now there is a pair of the 5 are taken from that, so 4 into 5 in root 2. So my answer is 4 5s are 20 root 2 meters square. My area of the triangle, that is 20 root 2 meters square. Okay, clear? Now my sum is done. Here is the one of the question that is also given, that is a traffic signal board indicating school ahead in an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula, and after that if its perimeter is 180 centimeter, then what will be the area of the signal board? So there is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so for the equilateral triangle we have to find the area of that triangle, equilateral triangle, using the Heron's formula. So we have to find that is the one of the easy question. Okay, so there is a all three side is a centimeter for the triangle, that is a and a. So for that my semi perimeter is a plus a by 2, that is 3a by 2. Okay, centimeter. Now we have to find the area. So area of triangle, that is in square root s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. So for that my semi perimeter, that is 3a by 2. So 3a by 2 minus a, that is a. 3a by 2, my second side is also a, so I'll write as a, and 3a by 2 and third side is also a, so I'll write as a. So what is my area? That is 3a by 2, write as it is. Now we have to take LCM at here, because there is a not any kind of the number upon a. Okay, so there is LCM is 2. So my 2 ones are 2, answer is 2 ones are 2, 3a minus 2a, that is 1a, a by 2. So in the one there is a answer of the a by 2 from all of the 3 numbers. So what is the my multiplication? That is a pair of the a, we have to take common out. 3a into 3a are also in the multiplication. So I'll write it here as a 3 into a into a into a into a upon 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. Okay, so now we have to take common, that is square root of 16 as a 4 upon 4. There is a pair of a, that is a, and second a, that is into also a. Now there is a root 3 are remaining. Okay, so my answer, that is area of triangle, that is root 3 by 4 into a, that is a square. What is my a? A is my side of the triangle. So that's why we have to talk about that. If the area of the triangle, if there is a equilateral triangle, so area of the triangle, that is root 3 by 4 side square. A is my side of the triangle. Okay. Now they said that if the perimeter is 180 centimeter, if there is a perimeter is 180 centimeter for the triangle, what is the area of the triangle? Okay. So there is a perimeter is 180. So for that, perimeter is a plus a plus a, that is 3a. So 3a equal to 180. So my a is 180 by 3, that is my 60. So my side of the triangle, that is 60 centimeter. Okay, my side of the each side of the triangle, that is 60 centimeter. So for that, my area is equal to root 3 by 4 side, that is 60 square. Okay, so root 3 by 4 into 60 square, that is 3600, and 9 4s are 36. Therefore my answer is 900 root 3 centimeter square. Okay, clear that? This is the one of the easy question, okay, from your textbook also. Okay, so in today's session, students, we are done 4 question. Okay, so I hope you have to understand all these things that I'll teach you, and all of these sums are already given in your textbook. So please refer your textbook first, and after that I'll give you the questions, extra questions, and I'll give you the extra questions for the solve that. Okay, then you have to solve that extra questions. Okay, so please refer first of all textbook. So I hope you have to understand all these things. So till then, goodbye and stay blessed.